long division method for decimal numbers. So let's take an example, 42.25. The procedure will remain same, children, nothing to be worried about. Just before solving now, forget this decimal point and consider this complete number as 4225. Forget about the decimal point. Okay. So what is the first step? We start making the pairs from right hand side. Okay. So 25 is a pair, 42 is a pair. Then again we will start with 42. So think of a number whose square is either less than or equal to 42. So that is, there is only one number, that is 6. So right here 36 just below 42, and 6 will be copied as a quotient also. Now draw a line. 6 plus 6, 12. Now 42 minus 36, you will get 6. Copy the next pair. So the new number is 625. And for here, again you have to think of a number. Okay. By looking at the number, it is clear there could be only one possibility, because at the end we are getting 5. So we will put 5 over here. 125 into 5. What you will get? 625. And this 5 will again be copied in the quotient. Okay. Again draw a line. 625 minus 625, you will get 0. So basically all the steps are same which we follow for the long division method. Now let's come to the last step, decimal point. As I have told you, this is the square root of decimal point. So in the starting we forgot about the decimal point. Now how to put a decimal point? So calculate the number of pairs after the decimal point in the given question. So how many pairs are there? 1. Okay. Now you will count the number of pairs you have counted, that is, there is 1 pair. And you will put a decimal point just from, you will start counting the numbers just from right side. So 1 pair, 1 digit, and a decimal point will be before 1 digit, like this. So 6.5 is the square root of 42.25. Suppose if I take an example here, one more pair is there, like 0, 3. Okay. So after decimal point in the question, how many pairs are there? 2. Okay. So in the answer, suppose this 615. So decimal point I will start counting from right hand side, 1 digit, 2 digit. So there are 2 pairs. So after 2 digit, before 2 digit, you will put a decimal point. Let's take one more example, 2.56. Again start making pair from right side. 2 is alone, so we can either consider it as 2 or 0. Now think of a number whose square is either less than or equal to 2. There is only one possibility, that is 1. So 1 will be written in the quotient as well. 1 into 1, it will give you 1 only. Draw a line. 1 plus 1. Addition will be written below the line, that is 2. Now we will subtract 2 minus 1 and you will get 1. It's time to copy the next pair, that is 156. We are having 6 at the end. So there could be 2 possibilities. Okay. 4 or 6. Okay. So you can try with putting 24 into 4. Your purpose won't be solved. So the correct option here will be 6. 6 will be copied in the quotient as well. On multiplication, you will get 156. Again draw a line, subtract, you will get 0. Now again count the number of pairs after decimal point. 1 pair. So start counting the digit from right. 1. So decimal point will be put before 1 digit. So just summarize all those points we have discussed already. So 1.6 is the square root of 2.56. So like this you can use this method to calculate square root of decimal numbers also. Just the key point is In the starting only, forget about the decimal point and just follow the steps. Thank you.